Lexi, did you forget what we was doing today?
Oh, I forgot.
What just came in?
Snack crate. Snack crate. I wrote that. Unbox your world at snackcrate.com. Unbox your world again.
Let's see what this month's crate is from.
Okay.
Spain. Here, go ahead and give the taste sheet out here.
Okay, let's see. Okay, so there's a thin roller which comes to the longest candy belt.
Oh, I wish we could have got.
We did get it.
I hope we got that.
Oh yeah, delicious. I hope we got that gum.
Benny Larados.
Spicy mangoes. Oh no. Oh, we got those pacos, I think. I wish we
Pacatadas.
got those.
Ruffles. Jamon.
Alright.
Sorry guys if we're butchering any of these words. Here, let's show them what the Spain sign looks like. You got a sandwich. You got some buildings back there. Go ahead, flip it up and let's see what the snacks look like. Whoa.
We got the Ruffles.
Well, this thing is loaded, guys. So we're going to let Lexi pick which one she wants to do first.
We got that creamy muffin.
Then we'll show everybody what we got.
We got that creamy muffin, you guys. Alrighty.
And I want to keep this there. Get with me. This month's recipe is how to make Morio.
We're reading fun
Which
facts
kinda
at
looks
the
like
end,
this.
okay? Oh.
Yeah, we'll read the facts at the end, guys.
Yeah. Okay. Alrighty. 3, 2, 1, you guys. You guys get to see what I picked.
Why'd you pull the cover out?
Because we're going to read it at the end and it looks cool like
Alright.
that.
What are you picking? Pick the Ruffles?
Yes.
Let's read about those
I think
real
we
quick.
got the roller. Here, I'll read about them. I love
Okay.
reading about stuff. Alright, so.
Flip it over there. I think it's on the other side.
Okay, I'll read. Ruffles jamon, a natural favorite in Spain. These wavy potato chips feature the salty and savory flavor of the reverse Spanish ham.
Ooh, Spanish ham? Ooh, let's try those. That sounds really good.
Okay, here we go.
Let's get a look at the front of that bag so everybody can see what it looks like.
Okay.
Well, there is a big old piece of ham right there now that I see. Yep. Let's crack them open there. Sweetheart.
It's your turn next, okay?
Alright. Let's see what they look like. Huh? Just like regular wavy chips. I'll have one.
Tastes like ramen noodles.
I see why these are good.
To the side. Alright, next round.
This is my turn?
Yes.
Are you going? You can do them, baby.
No.
Alright, I'm gonna go.
Please go for the drink.
I guess, let's just do the chips.
Oh no. Okay, fine. We'll do the chips.
Ooh, what's these? Cuide Frito fried egg taste chips.
Okay, El Vito have a Frito. These unqualified flavored savory chips have an uncanny
resemblance to an actual fried egg. You might just have found a perfect breakfast substitute. Huh.
Okay.
You want to crack them open and do the honors?
Little squirrel.
I like looking at the back of the bags, seeing all the different words. Look, PepsiCo makes these.
Oh, I see. What's PepsiCo?
Pepsi. Here, hold the can for a sec. Dang. Let's open these.
Here's my earrings.
We got two. It's the hardest bag of chips I've ever opened in my life. You better be good. Lock them in here like this. Oh, they smell good. Ooh, they look like Munchos. They're really good fried. You want to try one, Lex? Try it. Dude, that tastes like a fried egg, straight up. Hold on, you're going to show the can. Cost, pinch out up. Did you get us some little cups?
No.
Oh, here's the pop. Cost Nardia, made with real fruit juice, this tangy, fizzy, orange-flavored soda adds a refreshing touch to any day or cocktail. Hold on. Look at the top of that can.
It looks so
Strange
good.
looking can.
It smells so good.
Let's get us some made-up cups. Oh, talking to Lex. Pour some in there. Try one of these chips. Tell me this don't taste like a fried egg. Try it. They killed it. They did a good job.
Fucking huge.
How is it?
I haven't even tried it
I
yet.
don't like it. It's got a weird ass taste. Ugh.
I already showed him.
It tastes just like a fried egg, but it's
Dude.
gross. I don't like it.
Those chips are bomb.
This is so good, you guys.
Does Lex like them?
No.
I mean, either. They're pretty gross.
Dang, that is good. Tastes like real orange, sun-kissed.
Man, dude, I've had
That's fabulous.
diarrhea.
Fabulous. Now, I ain't gonna lie. These egg chips, man. Dude, they killed it. It tastes like a real egg. Straight up. What are you doing, Lex? You're gonna make a mess. Here.
I'm trying to pour it back in.
Why did you pour so much? It's not up.
Hold on, you guys.
I'll make the video.
You're gonna say a bad word in it.
I don't understand why you gotta do this stuff you do sometimes. Got the table all wet. Here, stop, I gotta tell. What's up? Alright, what's next? What are you picking next?
I want some glasses.
Huh?
I want orange juice.
More of that?
Just don't pour it in the cup. I'm gonna drink it out of the can.
What, it needs wiped off?
I'm just gonna leave it over here in case I need it.
Alright, well, what's next? Still got a few things.
Your turn, Daddy. And my turn to hold. Alright, you guys. You don't know what. Hey, you're not allowed to look.
Got a chocolate bar, but it's been crunched up pretty bad, man. Fill it on that one side.
Yeah. Alright, let's read about it. Okay, Marvel Tunnel then. Layers of crunchy, wavy sand.
Waffle sandwiched together with creamy nougat, then dipped in rich chocolate to make an unmistakable flavor.
Okay. Let's see.
Well, we got kind of, this is the first candy bar that we've had that seems like it's been dropped off a cliff or something. I mean, that thing is tore up. You can feel it in the bag.
Okay.
Look at it.
We'll
Here,
try the
give me one of those
crunch
pieces
part.
that's already broken off. Here, don't mess it up. Just grab a little piece. Let me try a piece. Man, they really did mess that part up right there, didn't they? You get a piece of this.
I kind of don't care for it.
That's kind of gross, guys. That tastes like that weird piece of chocolate you get when you're trick-or-treating, and it leaves that weird aftertaste in your mouth. That's what that chocolate does.
Okay. Potatoes. These bright red candies feature a crunchy, sugary outer layer with a soft, gummy center bursting with cherry flavor.
Give me that one.
Wait, you gotta try it when I do. Oh, these must be. Oh, these are gummies, you guys. Here's what they look like. Open it out of the bag.
Like little gumdrop cherries.
Gumdrop cherry sours or sugary.
Whoa. Bite it.
Is there juice inside?
Oh man, those are good. I don't even really like cherry.
Those are good. I hate cherry.
Man, those are good. I like the way it feels in your mouth.
Your turn, Daddy.
Oh, it's my turn?
Yeah. Oh, no, not that. Okay, sure.
Fruit roll-up.
I want
Do
that.
that?
I want to try that.
Oh, that's a rocket. That's a roller fizz. That means it does. I think it fizzes up in your mouth. That's going to be fun. Guys, I don't know if you've ever ordered one of these snack crates, but I'll tell you, even if you don't like some of the stuff, it's just really fun to do. Break me a little piece off. What's that? Did you lick that?
No.
Oh, it's just how they stuck it together. This one here is messy, boys and girls. Kind of looks like one of the Airhead flat ones that are like a rainbow color.
Here you go. That's Mommy's piece. Go give it
Oh
to her.
man, try that. It's
piece.
strawberry. It's fire.
I did get you a big piece. Daddy won't bring it to you.
Oh, we didn't even read about that one.
Daddy, I'll hold the camera. I'll read about it.
Delicious.
Okay.
With
You can
claims to be the longest candy belt thrown. This fruity roll-up will take your taste buds on a tart trip with an intense sour flavor. I didn't think it was sour. Do you? I think it's good. You want to try a piece, Mommy? Huh?
That was Mommy's.
I thought you gave it to me.
I did.
Whose is this piece?
That's mine. It's sour. Be careful.
Is it really sour?
No, not that sour.
You know, a lot of these countries that we've got lately, they like that chocolate wafer, kind of like those Little Debbie's.
Wafer bars.
What are those called? Crunch bars, wafers. What are those Little Debbie's called, Chris? They come in two, and they're chocolate with wafers and there's peanut butter in them.
Oh, no.
You know what I'm talking about?
Peanut butter wafers.
Maybe. A lot of the countries that we've got lately they all must like that same candy. And they got a lemon cookie. I know I used to eat a lime cookie, some lime cookies. It was pretty good.
I think this is the lemon cookie.
Let's see what that is. Oh, let's read that. Delicious.
Hey, wait, no. We're not breaking it.
Oh.
Okay.
Ooh, what's that?
These look like creamy puffs.
We got exposinos.
Let's read about
These
them.
are
These are little star-shaped crunchy corn snacks. Maybe be small, but they pack a spicy, cheesy flavoring that is
shockingly
delicious.
Well, I'm shockingly surprised to try. How about you? Hey, are you using scissors with a parent around?
Yes.
Where is your parent?
He's right here.
I don't see him. Let me have a star, bro. Let me smell him.
Ew. What do they taste like?
I wouldn't get this if you have a kid that's too picky to eat. You didn't even try it. We have to give these to Alm. They're pretty good. They do got a little spice to them, though. No lie. No lie, my friend. No lie. Last but not least, Zola. Ooh, these look good. I can't tell what they are. I can't tell if that's blueberries or chocolate chips.
Let me see.
Oh, here it is. White chocolate semi-covered berries cereal mini biscuits.
Yummy. Alright, let's
So they
read
must
about
be
it.
like cereal biscuits. Let's read it.
These are uncrackly flavored.
Delicious biscuits made with crunchy cereal and bits of blueberries with semi-coated in smooth white chocolate. Oh, man. That sounds wonderful.
Ooh, so little tiny
I'll have one.
berries.
Cheers.
I thought it was
Sink
a big
it,
one.
dink it.
I thought it was a big one.
They're only supposed to be single ones. They just stuck together. Chew it up.
I hate
Never
blueberries. I hate blueberries. It has to be soft if I will eat it.
Well, I like it, guys. But, what was your favorite thing? That? Mine would have to be the strawberry thing, the egg fried chips,
Mine is that.
then
that,
this,
Mine is that.
then this.
Mine is that, and that.
Mm-hmm. Good choice. Well, you rate this box.
10 out of 10. A 5 out of 5.
You want to read some facts?
Okay, I will.
Right here's the fun facts.
Okay. On average,
Spaniards
devote the 16 out of every 24 hours to
leisure
eating, drinking, and sleeping. The first known stapler was made in 18th century in the
Basque Country.
Basque Country for the French King Louis XV. Every single staple
was engraved
with
the royal emblem.
When Spanish
Spaniard children lose a tooth, they put it under their pillow, and a small mouse called
Ratatouille Perez comes to collect and leaves a small gift or money in its place.
Whoa.
Public
Nudity
is legally in Spain.
Is legal, all the better to enjoy the balmy Mediterranean temperature climate when it's 3,000 hours of sunlight a year. The oldest restaurant in the world is in Madrid. Restaurant Bulton has been open since 1725. Wow, guys, that was really cool.
I wish we got that.
Yeah, I do too. I wish we would have got
and
that. Oh, look, these look like Mentos.
I wanted the Cheeto Puffs.
Alright, guys, well, until next time, you guys stay cool. Lexi's been swimming away in our pool. She actually got in trouble today. She spray painted a boy. We had to send him to the hospital to get his skin chopped off.
We didn't.
No, we're just joking. Alright, guys. Don't forget to check out our other channels. Don't forget to hit that what button.
Like button.
And don't forget to click on the what button.
Subscribe. Hit that bell notification. Give me a huge thumbs up. See you guys later.
Oh my God,
Bye.
earthquake, guys. Bye. We gotta go.